Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the absence of pubs, which are all closed at the moment due to the lockdown that we're experiencing yet again, I've been doing quite a lot of Zoom calls with old friends of mine, sometimes with a little glass of beer on the side, to try to recreate that pub feeling. And it never quite recreates that pub feeling, but it's better than nothing in these dark days. Recently, during one of these Zoom calls, we ended up having a rather random conversation about the greatest TV show of all time. Some predictable suggestions were put forward, The Sopranos, The Wire, etc. And I shocked a few people by suggesting that The Simpsons, the cartoon series, should be a contender for the greatest TV show of all time. One of my old friends shocked and surprised me by revealing that he didn't really rate The Simpsons at all. And he then went on to suggest the heretical idea that South Park was somehow a better TV show. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind South Park, it has its moments, but when compared to The Simpsons, only an idiot would believe it's of the same quality. As I pointed out, South Park, it's just a poor man's Simpsons. The Simpsons pisses all over it. Give me The Simpsons any day of the week. If you say that one thing is a poor man's other thing, you mean that the first thing isn't as good, it isn't of the same quality as the second thing. So you might describe a car as a poor man's Rolls Royce. You might describe a footballer that lots of people are raving about as, he's just a poor man's Lionel Messi. He's a poor man's Dennis Bergkamp. When you're having arguments about things, you might say leeks. Oh, I don't really like leeks. They're a poor man's asparagus. You like Kasabian. Seriously, God, they're just a poor man's Oasis, who were, in turn, a poor man's Beatles. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think are a poor man's other things.